what's up, man?
I'm like Beemer Fam. Like, I hear this about
What's going on YouTube? Welcome to Beemer Fam. You guys join me inside my straight pipe BMW M4. So first things first, tonight we're gonna be heading to a car meet out here in LA. And then we're gonna be waking up real early in the morning. We're gonna be doing a 5 a.m. tunnel run out in the canyon for the first time. So with that being said, let's get on the road and light up the streets. Oh my God. I don't know if you guys can see that, but gas is officially under $6 here in California. When I first started filming POVs, gas was well over $6 a gallon, almost $7 a gallon. Some places almost $8 a gallon. So we just pulled up to the meet.
Beemer Fam.
Hey, what's up, man? M's here, so we're gonna park up and see what we got. Thanks, bro. So there we have the M4 parked up.
your family has all M's.
Yeah.
Like straight pipe the M6. I'm like Beemer Fam. Like, I hear this about.
I'm gonna walk around a little bit. Let's give you guys a quick montage of me, see what kind of cars I got. So we just checked out a few cars in the meet, got some few revs, and you can hear people are starting to leave the meet right now. So we're gonna go ahead and head out. So as you can see the time, it is 5:30 a.m. We are now on the highway. We're headed to this long canyon road in Calabasas where they have 3 long tunnels. As you can see, the sky is already getting pretty light out. Making popcorn at 6 a.m. Check this view out. I guess you could say this is like calm before the storm, because we're about to light these tunnels up. So we got tunnel number 1. Nice little warm-up tunnel. Oh, another tunnel. I'm getting chills right now. In the early morning, look at the vibe. Oh my God. You know, I gotta say, this inline 6 twin turbo pulls like a V8. It just keeps pulling and pulling with the DCT. That 7-speed dual clutch transmission. As soon as you click this paddle, boom, right into the next gear, and it just keeps going and going all the way to redline. And not to mention, after that, you got these beautiful mountains out here, the views in SoCal. Oh, this is legendary. I've never been over here. This is a 10 out of 10. Wow, look at this. The ocean is right in front of us. Oh, this is stunning views out here. I see the next tunnel. Oh as you can see, the tunnels are right there, and we have the M4 parked up. Look at the car real quick before we rip some tunnels again. You can also get a chance to look at some of the views out here. Oh, wow. So as you can see, it is officially 6 o'clock in the morning. The sun is rising. The ocean is way out there. And the views here are just beautiful. Looks like this brush was actually involved in part of the fires. So before we get back on the road, let's go ahead and hear some revs. It's crazy how quiet it is out here. Oh my gosh, look at the sun rising. This is gorgeous. Here we go. Okay, this is that long one, so we're gonna do a little bit of a launch. Oh my God, look at the views out here. You know, in my opinion, for me, this is literally what dreams are made of. Chasing views with a car like this, with tunnels like this. Oh my God. So I must say, I'm very glad I came out here in the early morning as opposed to late night, so we can see these beautiful views after the tunnel run. Maybe bring my girlfriend Chanel and show her this road, because I mean, as of right now, this might be my favorite road, because you get some of the canyons and then you get those tunnels, and then you have that one really long tunnel where, you know, I want to bring another car out here so we can get rollers of this thing in the tunnel, which would be really cool. So man, those RS6s are really beautiful. That's probably the only Audi I could see myself actually owning. Definitely would take that over the R8. So that'll just about do it for today's video. If you guys enjoyed, make sure you hit that like button, hit that subscribe button. Check us out on Instagram at Beemer Fam, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Thanks for watching.